this and this and this. Hot water, cold ice, and spray. First you put some hot water.
Mm-hmm.
The ice is very cold. Oh. Where you gone? I think it's turning the warm water cold, so we can like make a cloud once we put the hairspray on it in like 1 or 2 minutes. Cloud is like a rain, like cotton candy. Some people say that, but I think it's kind of that, and I think a cloud is rain. I think clouds are made out of rain and snow, kind of like that. Because it like made fog now inside, so I think like the ice is gonna turn into a cloud. It's like, get me out! Oh, it's so cool. Hello everybody, today we're gonna start with Mommy. First water, we put ice inside. Once we put our ice in.
Do you want to try it with the dye to see what happens?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, put some ink in it. That's good, right? And then
I put our
put
ice.
wait, before that you gotta put this, and then go ahead. Put your ice on top of that.
One.
More, you could put more.
I want to put one first.
Okay, we put one first, and then Mommy will put a couple more because we need to make it cold on the top. Why do you think we need to make it cold on the top, Sito? Why do we put ice? What do you think?
So it can be cold.
What are we making cold? This? The water at the bottom in the jar?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's hot, right? We gotta be careful. But at the top, it's nice and cold. Yeah. Ooh, careful.
Let me.
And then we have to wait a minute, okay?
Yeah. Mom, Sam Hammertizer. Sam Hammertizer.
Mm-hmm.
Take that
Go
off.
ahead, take the hairspray. More. And stop.
And Mom, did I put too much?
I think that's fine. I think you did fine. Nope, not on the ice, baby. Now we gotta wait.
One ice, 2 ice, 3 ice, 4 ice, 5 ice. It's turning to gray. The top is gray and the bottom is blue gray. Hot and cold. Hot up here, cold up here, and hot up down. Wow, amazing.
Let's see what it looks like inside. Does it look cloudy?
It looks blue.